Welcome to our video on driving through the winter wonderland. As we all know, winter can bring some of the most challenging driving conditions of the year. From snow and ice to blizzards and freezing temperatures, it's important to be prepared and stay safe on the roads. In this video, we'll discuss some important winter driving preparation, safety tips, and emergency strategies to help you navigate the challenges of winter driving. First, let's talk about winter driving preparation. It's crucial to make sure your car is in good condition before you hit the roads. This includes checking your vehicle's fluids, tire pressure, and brakes. Make sure your car has the proper winter gear and supplies, such as a shovel, blanket, and extra warm clothing. It's also a good idea to keep your gas tank at least half full to avoid any issues with frozen fuel lines. Now let's talk about winter driving safety. When driving in winter conditions, it's important to take extra precautions to ensure your safety. Always drive slowly and carefully, and keep your distance from other cars. Be aware of slippery roads, icy patches, and snow drifts, and try to avoid sudden stops and starts. Keep an eye out for snow plows and other vehicles on the road, and be prepared for longer travel times due to inclement weather. Now let's talk about some winter driving tips. Make sure your windshield is clear of snow and ice before you start driving, and use the correct winter tires for better traction. Avoid using cruise control on slippery roads, and be sure to use your headlights in poor visibility. It's also a good idea to keep a safe following distance from other vehicles to give yourself plenty of time to react to any changes in road conditions. In the event of a winter driving emergency, it's important to stay calm and take the necessary steps to ensure your safety. If your car gets stuck in the snow, turn on your hazard lights and call for help. If you are stranded in a blizzard, stay in your car and wait for help to arrive. It's also a good idea to keep a winter emergency kit in your car, including items such as a flashlight, first aid kit, and extra food and water. Finally, let's talk about winter driving maintenance. To ensure your car is in good condition for winter driving, it's important to regularly check your vehicle's fluids, tire pressure, and brakes. Make sure you have the proper winter gear and supplies in your car, and consider getting a tune-up to ensure everything is in good working order. In conclusion, driving in winter conditions can be challenging, but with the right preparation, safety tips, and emergency strategies, you can navigate the roads with confidence. Remember to drive slowly and carefully, be aware of slippery roads and other hazards, and take care of your car to ensure it is in good condition for winter driving. Stay safe out there, and happy winter driving.